My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about Shiba coin. What is the currently price of Shiba coin? What is the next target of Shiba coin? And in this video I also talk to you about origin update of Shiba coin. So keep watching this video till the end and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently price of Shiba coin. As you can see here, the currently price of Shiba coin is about 0.000002 USD dollar is the currently price of Shiba coin, friends. So first of all, I want to if you want to invest in a Shiba coin, so I think it's the best decision in this time. If we look the price of Shiba coin, so the price is very low, and the low cryptocurrencies give us a good amount of profit in the future, friends. Remember that. Same like that, if we talk about the price change occurs, so the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is negative, and last 1 week change as positive, friends. As you know, today is the second date of new month, friends. That's mean that the last 1 day change is negative, so that's mean that the previous yesterday is the first day of a new month, so that's mean that the first day of a new month, the falling period of the Shiba coin are start now, friend. So same like that occurs, as I told you in my previous videos, that don't do this mistake at this time. Don't sell Shiba coin at this time, friends, and don't do this mistake, because due to this reason, because a lot of people goes to sell Shiba coin in the last half month, that is why the change as negative, friends. And if you look the previous change, last 1 week change, so the last 1 week change, as the talk about the April month, so the April month is change is positive because a lot of people don't sell Shiba coin, friends. Only the new month a lot of people goes to sell Shiba coin, friends. So that is why the change is negative, friends. But don't worry this time, friends. If you're a holder of Shiba coin, so please don't worry, that is the temporary phase of Shiba coin. That's not a phase of only Shiba coin. That's a fund of XRP. That is a fund of Saffron coin. A lot of cryptocurrencies falls down in these days. As you know, it is a start of new month. So in the new month, all cryptocurrencies falls down, friends. So don't worry about that, friends. If we talk about the last 12-hour price prediction chart, so the last 12-hour price change as negative 11.61% change occur in the Shiba coin. And if we talk about the highest price of Shiba coin, so 0.000002 USD dollar is the highest price of Shiba coin, which is the current price. As you can see here, the current price is also in this time, friends. But if we look they falls down gradually, move slowly falls down, friends. Every hour by hour, minute by minute falls occur in Shiba coin. I think this kind of falls continue for next 1 day or 2 days. This kind of falls continues, friends. After 2 days, after 3 days, the falling period of the Shiba coin is end, and the jumping period of Shiba coin starts. And I hope they will give you a good amount of profit, friends. So now I think the coming soon, the coming soon, the 2-4 days is only the falling days of the Shiba coin, friends. So that is the prediction of Shiba coin, friends. What's your opinion about Shiba coin? Please share your opinion in the comment box. And friends, remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video.